Now that my voice is cloned and my prompt is written, I can finally generate my video. To do that, I'll go to the bottom right here and click on Generate a Video. And now the InVideo AI is going to create our video project. Now that the InVideo AI has analyzed our prompt, it has a few questions about our project before it finishes generating the video. Here we can choose between stock media or generative media. I'm going to keep this on stock media. We can choose our duration, our audience, and platform. I'm happy with all these settings, so I'll click on Continue here. Now we'll be able to see our video generated in real time. Depending on the complexity of your video project, this can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to an hour. So I'll fast forward and meet you at the next step. Our video is now ready, so let's go ahead and check it out and see what the AI came up with. Everybody is looking for the biggest fish in the sea, but what about the biggest ever? From the ancient megalodon, a shark bigger than a bus, to the colossal blue whale, the largest animal ever known, the ocean has housed some real titans. Wow. As you can see, the AI did everything for us. It took the prompt we gave it earlier, made a script out of it, it then found stock footage to match the script, it created the narration using my voice clone, added captions and music, and edited everything together for us.